Oh yeah, I built that. Oh, do you know what? I was on this project here. It's a great feeling because you feel like you've really helped build America. That's my pride and joy. My name is Cindy Gaudio. I'm the training coordinator for the Carpenters at NWCI. I actually started way back in 1981. My boyfriend, now husband, introduced me to the pile drivers. They were taking women to come into the program, and I decided, what the heck, I'll give it a try. It wasn't my first choice, but after being in the trades for about 4 years, I realized that I really liked working with my hands. I liked being outside, and of course I liked most of the people that I worked with, but I wanted to get into the Carpenters and start building buildings and maybe a few other things, learn a little more of a skill. And so I was actually transferred over to the Carpenters after about 10 years. The trades, I would say, is a place for anybody who wants to take pride in what they do. They want to feel like they belong to a team, and you can walk back or step back and go, wow, I can't believe I really created that, or I did that.
So within carpentry, there are many different trades. General carpentry is the largest of the crafts within carpentry, followed by interior systems. We have a huge demand for new carpenters entering the program. We really enjoy finding people who need a change in direction, want to better themselves, and have a satisfying career.
To qualify for the apprenticeship, you do have to be 18 years old. You have to be physically fit. You do not have to have a high school diploma, though it is recommended. The process to become a carpenter is, first off, a person needs to go to nwci.org and put in an application. They'll put in an application, but they'll also sign up for a trade orientation. Now, a trade orientation is an event that they'll attend, and you'll be evaluated on your skills of using a tape measure, how to move material. Can you lift 2x4s? Can you lift plywood? You'll have to have a math test. There's 20 questions on that you'll have to pass. And of course, you load up a wheelbarrow full of material. It weighs about 200 pounds, maneuver it through a course, and you're scored on that. Once you are scored, if you can score 85 or above, pretty much you're going to be invited to an interview. All this takes a couple of months. The score that you have from your trade orientation and the score that you have from the interview are combined. When they're combined, your name will then go on a ranked list. And on that ranked list, if the industry out there demands us to start hiring people, we start at the top and we'll bring people in through that. If you are accepted into the apprenticeship, we will send you out for a drug test. You do have to pass that. You do have to have the required tools. It's going to cost about $500 to acquire all of the tools. But you have to do that in a timely manner once we've decided to bring you into the apprenticeship. Then, once you are in, it doesn't mean that you have a job. You still may have to go hustle a job. So we want you to keep your current job until you get a union job. And you will have to join the union too. All of that from the date of application to when you join the union, if all goes well, that could take 2 to 3 months.
If you can't get into apprenticeship right away, you can continue working in the job that you currently have, or you can apply to any one of our contractors as a utility worker, which is someone who won't wear their tools or work with tools, but they will pack material, deliver material, drive material. What that can do is get you into a company, gets you out there, gets you familiar with the materials and the tools and equipment and a lot of the workers that you'll eventually be working with. Similarly, if you already have a career that you're unhappy with and you'd like to switch over to carpentry, learning how to read the tape measure is also going to be absolutely critical. Being comfortable with heights is a challenge to people first coming into the program. So finding safe ways to get more comfortable with heights is important.
Be physically fit, start exercising, take care of yourself, because believe it or not, your body is a tool and you do need to take care of it so it will last for the next 25, 30 years. Even if you don't get in the trades, you still need to take care of yourself to make your body last. There's just so many things that you can do for yourself, your physical self and your mental self to prepare for the trades. What I would do if I wanted to know if I could actually work outside or work inside, I would start doing activities outside. You can go to Google, you can see what people are really doing out in the trades, go to a job site, watch them from a distance, see if that's really something you want to do. This is a career, this isn't a job. And once somebody is in, you want to be here for the next 25, 30 years because it is really rewarding. You'll be able to afford for your family, for anything that you want. You'll have benefits, health benefits, a retirement plan for your family. I wouldn't have asked for a better career for myself.